Hello, kids. Welcome to Learn with Fun. Hello, kids. Let's learn some colors. Blue color, pink color, red color, dark green color, brown color, violet color. Let's learn some shapes. Heart, star, star, cross, cross, pentagon, pentagon, hexagon, hexagon, arrow, arrow, blue color, heart, blue color, heart, pink color, star, pink color, star, red color, cross, red color, cross, dark green color, pentagon, dark green color, pentagon, brown color, hexagon, brown color, hexagon, violet color, arrow, violet color, arrow, blue color heart, pink color star, red color cross, dark green color pentagon, brown color hexagon, violet color arrow. Subscribe.